Welcome to our Future Proof Your Home video series, where we take you through the different aspects you should consider when making improvements to your home. 4 retrofit principles you need to know. Carrying out works to your home is a great opportunity to improve your existing property and also ensure that any new additions or extensions improve and don't adversely affect the efficiency of your home. Let's look at the key concepts of retrofitting your home and the different types of works they would include. Number 1. Keeping heat in. Reducing the loss of heat through the fabric of your building is key to a comfortable home and reduced energy bills. Insulation. You can do this through insulating your home with work such as upgrading your doors and windows to double or triple glazing, insulating your walls, floors, or roofs. When adding additions to your home, you can consider how the position and size of glazing may contribute to heating from the sun through the winter months. When building extensions to your home, you should consider going above the insulation requirements of building regulations to ensure your investment offers the best value in energy savings as possible. Airtightness. Heat also escapes from your home through air leakage through drafts. Cracks and gaps in our existing homes can cause heat to escape. We can help reduce this loss by draft-proofing existing doors, windows, and floorboards. When extending or altering our homes, new construction works don't always perform as well as they could. Ensuring new construction works are carried out with airtightness practices, where insulation is fitted correctly without gaps or holes, and the correct air barriers are used, will allow new additions to our homes to perform as they should. This is known as airtightness, but does not mean your house is without ventilation. Number 2. Ventilation. When making changes to reduce heat loss in your home, how your home is ventilated needs to be taken into account. Reducing the drafts in your home means that your building will perform better, but you still need to allow controlled ventilation to ensure a healthy living environment whilst keeping the heat in. Allowing moisture to escape. We create lots of moisture in our homes through breathing out water vapor, drying clothes, and creating steam through cooking and bathing. It's important that all this moisture can leave your home, otherwise it can cause condensation, dampness, and mold. Installing the correct amount of ventilation through bathroom and kitchen extractors is essential for a healthy living environment. Allowing air circulation to breathe. Of course, we need oxygen to breathe, and if our home doesn't have the correct level of background air circulation, we won't have a healthy home. The right level of background air circulation can be achieved through mechanical extract ventilation, or through a whole house ventilation system, which we'll come to later. Removing odours or toxins. In our daily lives, we create odours that will need to be removed to create a comfortable home environment. In addition to this, the materials we use in our home can also release harmful substances, a process known as off-gassing. Items like carpets, wall paints, cleaning products, and packaging can all release harmful toxins that good ventilation can help remove and keep us safe. A mechanical ventilation and heat recovery unit, or a MVHR for short. Its benefits are that it provides constant ventilation to ensure that no excess moisture or toxins build up in the home. It filters air from outside, meaning your internal environment is clear of pollution from outside. It can also save energy by recovering heat from the air it expels to ensure that heating your home is more efficient. 3. Keeping cool. We often think about energy loss in our homes, but overheating is also a big problem. Not only does it make our homes uncomfortable to live in, it also causes many people to mechanically cool their properties, which adds to their energy requirement. Considering glazing locations and sizes. When upgrading our homes, it can be tempted to add a lot of glazing to give a greater connection to the outdoors. However, the size and type of glazing and its position should be given consideration to prevent overheating. Reduce solar gain through glazing treatments. When selecting new glazing products, there are additional films and glass types that can reduce overheating depending on the orientation of your windows. Both existing and proposed windows can also benefit from the addition of external shading, either in the form of blinds, canopies, or even trees. Using the right type of insulation. Not all insulation types are good at keeping our homes cool. Selecting insulation that is good at keeping the heat out can be a good investment. Number 4, saving energy. Improving the efficiency of our energy usage will help reduce the cost of creating a comfortable home. Energy-efficient lighting. We can take for granted how much energy our light bulbs use. LED lighting uses significantly less energy than other fittings. Efficient heating. There are different ways we can provide heat in our homes. A modern boiler can be an efficient way to provide heating to an insulated home. If your boiler is old and requires upgrading, it may be more efficient to upgrade to an air source heat pump. An air source heat pump can heat our homes more efficiently than a boiler and uses electricity which can come from a renewable source. Solar panels. The additional solar panels to your roof can give the opportunity to create low-cost electricity for use in our home. So you can see there are a lot of ways in which you can adapt your home to make it more comfortable and energy efficient. But how do you find out which will be suitable for your particular property? Which will give you the best value for money? And what order to do them in? The answer? Make a whole house retrofit plan. Getting a whole house plan means that you have a roadmap to make your house as energy efficient, resilient, and comfortable as it can be. It means that you can make informed decisions on what measures are suitable for your home, what order to implement them in, how much energy they will save, and how much they will cost. And with a plan, it's possible to take a stepwise approach to the works when your life and finances allow. The options available can seem overwhelming, but with the right guidance, it's possible to take the guesswork out of your decisions and make changes to your home that will have a real impact on your finances and well-being. In our next video, we'll take you through 5 steps to action your retrofit, including how to create a whole house plan.